create a cinematic video just by using slow motion frame rates. You idiot. You spent the entire budget of this year on one single episode comparing Pocket 3 and Action 5 Pro. That's a bit harsh. Enough is enough. Time to stop it with both the Pocket and the Action cameras and focus on what the people want. Make a cinematic video with the iPhone 16 Pro and keep an eye on the budget as you have spent it all already. The iPhone. I love the iPhone. I think I have an idea. Give me a second. As I was trying to chill and get ready for my vlog making, I got interrupted by the producers and they were a bit upset. They had another challenge for me. Welcome to New York and welcome to Grand Central Station. I got a text message. You're gonna be using your budget on buying one single ticket. You're gonna go to visit the Summit Vanderbilt building where you have to create a cinematic video just by using slow motion frame rates. Especially the 4K 120, but wait, there's more. Out of the box, your current setup will not allow you to film 4K 120 ProRes. Yes, it won't. The SSD is either too slow or maybe the cable is too slow. Go to B&H and get the goodies from there. Think additional gear. I reached B&H 18 minutes before close time. The pickup went rather smooth as opposed to the last time I visited them. They allowed me to do a quick and ugly unboxing of all the things I received on a bench near the entrance. The few things that I bought. A T9 SSD, which is the fastest Samsung SSD they have. I've been using the T7 SSDs from Samsung. I even edit on them. Some Thunderbolt 4 cables. And a mount for my phone to be able to carry the SSD. I ended up not using the mount and just holding the SSD flush with the phone when I was filming. And the moment of truth, yeah, max record time 35 minutes or 1 terabyte. For 35 minutes for 1 terabyte. I guess we're on. Like I said, the producers were a bit upset because I took a flight to New York, so they booked me the simplest, the most minimalist hotel that they could find, but with a good view. Yes. So, tomorrow's a big day. Let's go to bed. The following day started strong with a few tests of the 4K 120 so I could get accustomed to the frame rate before I reached the venue.
I wanna be the greatest, stunting into something, I just wanna be a slayer. I just wanna give a vibe and I just wanna make it. I just got a window.
I mean, the Vanderbilt building is an interesting location. Located right next to the Grand Central Station, it is a good mix of art and views. Appointments are online and at a kiosk next to the entrance. You also get a free pair of sunglasses with which you look uber cool the entire trip. You see a Hollywood-made intro of the building, I mean really it feels like a movie, and you ride an animated elevator, you get into this purple room with your funny slippers, only to find probably one of the most magnificent views you will see. All the walls are built of mirrors, and everything you see is a reflection of something else, on top of the New York skyline. This is what actually makes it pretty awesome out of the gate. You can walk around and you can look around New York City from up top. It's very pretty. The biggest problem with all of this is we have to film a cinematic video and there's so many people around. Let's see what we can actually get out of this. I tried my best to get the best footage possible with what I had around in 4K 120.
I'm not a princess, I'm a queen. You can call me highness, that's what I need. I'm rough around the edges, but I'm as precious as a pearl. If you hand over the kingdom, I can rule the world. I could be the ruler.
So what have we learned from this experiment? First of all, it is really hard to shoot a cinematic in peak hours with so many tourists around. Second of all, 4K 120 is great for those shots because you turn 1 second into 4. And here's an example of how perfect this is for these types of shots. I still feel a bit uncovered because you can only use the 4K 120 with the wide lens, so 1x and 2x. I would have loved to have the ultra wide and the tele lens in my tool belt. In the next episode, we have something sick.